Welcome to Minute Profinet, and the second in our three-part series on Industry 4Sight. OPC UA is a complementary technology to Profinet that enables information exchange across a factory or enterprise. Its information model standardizes the presentation and therefore the machine readability of data types. So, in collaboration with the OPC Foundation, PI has created a companion specification, mapping Profinet to OPC UA. Specifically, this covers asset management data and diagnostic data. Generally though, it just makes moving information vertically from a Profinet network via OPC UA easier by virtue of the valuable semantics included with it. The mapping can be done in a controller, for example in greenfield installations, an edge gateway, for example in brownfield or NAMR open architecture installations, or even in a Profinet device itself, since both rely on standard Ethernet. For horizontal integration, OPC UA can be paired with TSN for real-time C2C communication, as mentioned in our previous video. And finally, by mapping ProfiSafe to OPC UA, we're solving an as-yet unaddressed use case of functional safety from machine to machine.